Are you thinking of giving your Windows 11 a futuristic and modern look? Then this video is perfect for you. Today, we will give Windows 11 a new look, which includes a redesigned taskbar with a new Start logo, a new Start menu, a redesigned Action Center, and more. By the way, if you want to customize the File Explorer like this, click on the I button and watch the linked video. So without further ado, let's begin. First, go to Taskbar settings and change the following options. Next, download and install Windhawk. We will use this tool to customize everything. To resize the taskbar, install the taskbar height and icon size mod. Then, adjust the height, width, and icon size values to resize the taskbar. To move the Start button to the left, install the Start button always on the left mod. To further customize the taskbar, install the Taskbar Styler mod. Go to the Advanced tab and replace the default code with the one provided in the video description. Before pasting the code, don't forget to insert the new Start icon path. To change the look of the Start menu, install the Start Menu Styler mod. Go to the Advanced tab and replace the default Start menu code with the new one. Next, install the Notification Center Styler mod to customize the notification and action center. Open the Advanced tab and replace the default code with the new one. To add a background to the taskbar when a window is maximized, install the Taskbar Background Helper mod. That's all. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.